Good morning, children. In today's video, we are going to learn about popular participation. Our main heading of the topic is what makes election in India democratic. In the last video, we learned about Independent Election Commission in India. How the election commission is powerful in India and independent, and its independence makes our election democratic. Next point, which proves Indian elections are democratic, is popular participation. So in that we are going to learn uh, is quality of election depend upon the participation of people. Means quality of election whether they are democratic or not, whether the elections are correct or not. It depends on the participation of people. Means how many people of that area is participating, if they are enthusiastic or not. So we can see this from the voters turnout figure. Voters turnout figure means people those who are eligible to give vote, they are voting or not. How many percent people are going for vote? For example, if 100 people are eligible and 50 people votes, so your voter turnout ratio or voter turnout figure is 50%. This is called as voters turnout figure. And if we talk about our country India, as compared to European countries or North American countries, in India, voting turnout figure is increasing. In European countries, it is decreasing. From this data, it is analyzed that people are enthusiastic. In India, the poor, illiterate, and underprivileged people vote in large proportion as compared to the rich and privileged section. The people who are illiterate, those who are privileged, means they are backward. These people mostly participating in election. If we will see the ratio, this symbolize that expectation of people is more from election. Expectation of common people from election are very high. Means common people expectation is more high, like they think that if they participate in election, they can bring change in government, and if they can change the government, then they think policies will get changed. Change comes in laws. Okay. The next is the interest of voters in election related activities has been increasing over the years. Means as the people interest is increasing fastly. As we see the data of 2004, one third of the people those who have given the vote are the part of political party, and half of the people are directly or indirectly is part of the political party. This shows the increased ratio of people in election. All these things tells us that if people's participation will increase, ultimately the quality of election will increase. So this was the topic popular participation. The next topic we will continue in the next video.